Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter. Wow. So, we'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some words that start with wow. In our last video, we covered the letter Nur. So, if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter Wow is coming at the beginning and at the end, and the middle is not coming. It means with wow we can script another letter just with the right side. With the left side we can't script. Like this one. Wow initial style is this one, middle part is coming like this, final join is this one, final join is this one. Uh, let's wow we have in a words. For example, we have urur. Urur. Urur means brother. Urur means brother. زما ورور ښوونځي ته ځي. زما ورور ښوونځي ته ځي. It means my brother goes to school. زما means my. ورور brother. ښوونځی school. ته ځي goes. زما ورور ښوونځي ته ځي. My brother goes to school. For example, we have ورور مې له ما سره لوبې کوي. ورور مې له ما سره لوبې کوي. My brother plays with me. ورور مې my brother له ما سره with me لوبې کوي plays. زه له خپل ورور سره خبرې کوم. زه له خپل ورور سره خبرې کوم. It means I'm talking with my brother. زه means I. له خپل ورور with my brother. سره with. خبرې کوم talking, speaking. زه له خپل ورور سره خبرې کوم. I'm talking with my brother. We have وطن. وطن. وطن means country. وطن زما کور دی. وطن زما کور دی. It means the homeland is my home. وطن means homeland, country. زما my کور دی home. کور home دی is. وطن زما کور دی. The homeland is my home. زه خپل وطن سره مینه لرم. زه خپل وطن سره مینه لرم. زه means I. خپل خپل وطن my homeland. زه خپل وطن سره مینه لرم. I love my homeland. زه I خپل وطن homeland مینه لرم. love. زه خپل وطن سره مینه لرم. I love my homeland. وطن زموږ د ټولو دی. وطن زموږ د ټولو دی. The homeland belongs to all of us. وطن homeland زموږ د ټولو to all of us دی is. وطن زموږ د ټولو دی. The homeland belongs to all of us. وینه. وینه. وینه means blood. زموږ بدن کې وینه روانه ده. زموږ بدن کې وینه روانه ده. Blood flows in our bodies. زموږ بدن کې in our bodies. وینه blood روانه ده flows. زخم نه وینه راځي. زخم نه وینه راځي. Blood comes from the wound. زخم wound نه وینه blood comes راځي comes. زخم نه وینه راځي. Blood comes from the wound. هغه وینه ورکړه. هغه وینه ورکړه. He or she donated blood. هغه is using for he or she for both of them. وینه blood ورکړه donated. هغه وینه ورکړه. He or she donated blood. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Urur, urur, brother. زما ورور ښوونځي ته ځي. زما ورور ښوونځي ته ځي. My brother goes to school. ورور مې له ما سره لوبې کوي. ورور مې له ما سره لوبې کوي. My brother plays with me. زه له خپل ورور سره خبرې کوم. زه له خپل ورور سره خبرې کوم. I'm talking with my brother. وطن وطن country or homeland. وطن زما کور دی. وطن زما کور دی. The homeland is my home. زه خپل وطن سره مینه لرم. زه خپل وطن سره مینه لرم. I love my homeland. وطن زموږ د ټولو دی. وطن زموږ د ټولو دی. The homeland belongs to all of us. وینه وینه blood. زموږ بدن کې وینه روانه ده. زموږ بدن کې وینه روانه ده. Blood flows in our body. زخم نه وینه راځي. زخم نه وینه راځي. Blood comes from the wound. هغه وینه ورکړه. هغه وینه ورکړه. He or she donated blood. If you would like to learn Pashto Deri online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk Briefly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want to complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.